Hi everybody, Delane Matthew here. Welcome to 303 East Courtland Place in Tobin Hill. At 1,432 square feet, this sophisticated little gem is loaded with sleek modern finishes throughout this two-story home. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Built in 2019 by local green builder Imagine Homes, 303 East Courtland Place is packed with energy-saving features, low-flow toilets and fixtures, and spray foam insulation. Hear that? Exactly. To help reduce outside noise and utility bills. One of the really great things about this property, the yard, completely maintained by the HOA. Mowing, weed eating, and watering, not just the lawn, but flower beds as well. All of it included in your HOA fee. So what are the things you'll notice when you walk up to 303 East Courtland Place?
Camera recording.
Not every day you get a whistle when you walk up to someone's front door, right? Well, that is the sound of the security system, VIVINT, keeping you safe. It's alerting whoever walks up to your front door that they're being recorded. 303 East Courtland Place in Tobin Hill. Schedule a private tour today.